In Lesson 12, we're going to continue using ratios of fractions and finding their unit rates. The classwork in Example 1 is an activity for you to do with a partner or a small group to plan how to solve the problem on remodeling your bathroom. So please spend some time after you've viewed the video planning that problem together and solving. We're going to focus on exercise 1, which is a problem about which car can travel further on 1 gallon of gas. A note that I want to make sure you get clear is that when you are looking at unit rates, you want to see which of the units are being asked for in terms of one or in a single of something. In this case, they want to know how far a car can travel on 1 gallon of gas. That's your indication that 1 gallon, the gas, is the unit rate. So the blue car travels 18 2/5 miles using 8/10 gallons of gas. You'll notice that these are in two different forms, a fraction and also a decimal. So we'll need to change the decimal into a fraction in order to do the problem. The same thing is true for the red car. The red car travels 17 2/5 miles using 7,500 gallons of gas. So we will also have to convert that to a fraction. So the problem, 18 2/5 divided by 8/10, should be set up. Then we need to change the 18 2/5 to an improper fraction and use the reciprocal of our second fraction before we can multiply. That will give us 92/5 times 10/8, and we'll multiply straight across 92 times 10 and 4 times 8, which will give us 920/40. 920/40 can be simplified by dividing both by 10 very simply, giving us 92/4. And then finally we would simplify by dividing 92 by 4, which will be 23 miles per gallon. The red car travels 17 2/5 miles on 7,500 gallons of gas. So we're going to set that up as 17 2/5 divided by 3/4, since 3/4 is the fraction, the simplified fraction for 75/100. Then we'll change 17 2/5 to an improper fraction. And change the 3/4 to its reciprocal, which is 4/3, and then multiply. And multiplying straight across will give us 348/15. And our final step will be to divide 348 by 15 to get our final answer of 23 1/5. In comparing the two, we can see that the red car travels slightly more on 1 gallon of gas, 1/5 of a mile more.